Hi, my name's Tom Dolder. I brought a Sammic machine with me here today. This machine is manufactured in Spain. It is Europe's premier, high quality machine in their vacuum packing, restaurant, food service industry. We're giving it a little bit of an experiment here in the United States to see just exactly how it goes over. The pumps in these machines are huge. This machine has a 10-meter pump in it, so it doesn't have to work very hard to get where it's going. The heat seal wire in these machines is a crimping kind of heat seal wire, so it does seal beautifully. Even though it only has one wire in these smaller machines like this, the bigger machines, of course, have two wires in them. These machines are also very fully equipped, so these machines give you the options of putting a modified atmosphere into the chamber. They give you an option of letting the air back into the chamber much more slowly, which will lay the plastic down very nicely on the bag. So this eliminates a lot of punctures that may happen when you have bones or sharp objects inside the bag. Well, let's give it a try and see exactly what this thing can do. It does have 10 different programmable settings on the dial. You can vary, so if you set the programs, you can run them up. So you can set different programs on the machine for different types of vacuum packing that you may want to do. For instance, on program number 1, we're going to evacuate 99.9% of the air. In this case, the gas is set at 90%, but the gas is also turned off, so we're not going to put any gas back into this particular bag because we haven't turned on that feature. The heat seal is set at 2.1 seconds, and the air is set at 0. For this particular situation, let's set the vacuum, or let's set the air. We're going to increase. Let's see, if you increase the time on this setting, it lets the air back in slowly for 6 seconds, and then it will let the rest of the air back in the chamber quickly. What this does is allow the bag to lay on the top of your product instead of getting slapped up against it, which may deform some of your softer, more delicate pieces of meats or fish, vegetables, and things like that. To start this machine, all you have to do is push the lid down. And just let the 10-meter pump take over. These machines do also run on a pressure cycle, so the pressure was set at 99.9%, which means that it's going to suck out 99.9% of the air. And as soon as it gets up there, we'll watch the heat seal bar take over. And the heat seal will run when it gets to 99.9. Should be right about now. And the heat seal runs for 2 seconds. And this is that soft air feature. It's going to let the air softly into the machine. And then once the timer runs out, it lets all the rest of the air back into the chamber. Gives you a vacuum pack product.